Welcome back to Product Critique, the home for honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're looking at the best sewing machine computerized with stitches, the Brother CE1155 computerized sewing machine. If you're a sewing enthusiast, hobbyist, or budding designer, this is a machine you'll want to stick around for. The Brother CE1155 is a powerful, feature-rich sewing machine with an eco-conscious touch. From the moment you unpack it, you notice its modern yet compact design. But it's not just about looks, this machine is built for performance and durability. What sets the CE1155 apart is its sustainability approach. The outer cover is made with 50% recycled plastic, and the packaging skips the styrofoam entirely in favor of recycled cardboard. It's a refreshing take in a world where most products still heavily rely on plastic waste. Now, let's talk about performance. The CE1155 comes with 110 built-in stitches. These include utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches. Perfect for all kinds of projects, from simple clothing fixes to detailed quilt work. It also offers 8 one-step auto-size buttonholes that are great for professional finishes. Stitch selection is easy thanks to the LCD screen and button interface. It's simple, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, yet advanced enough for more experienced sewers to enjoy precise control. The improved auto needle threader gets the job done with just one touch. It's reliable and saves a lot of time, especially when switching between stitches or thread types. Whether you prefer traditional foot pedal control or want to go hands-free, the CE1155 gives you the choice. The computerized speed control allows you to manage tricky curves and intricate details effortlessly. It adapts to your pace, not the other way around. Thanks to its sturdy metal frame, this machine handles heavy fabrics like denim and quilt layers with ease. It comes with 7 essential sewing feet: buttonhole, zipper, button sewing, overcasting, blind stitch, monogramming, and zigzag. These attachments open the door to an endless variety of techniques and styles. The built-in free arm is a game-changer when working on sleeves, cuffs, and other tricky areas. And despite its compact size, the large needle-to-arm space gives you room for bigger projects. Weighing just over 10 pounds, the Brother CE1155 is portable, powerful, and packed with everything you need to elevate your sewing game. It's perfect for apartments, studios, or anyone with limited space who refuses to compromise on functionality. If you're in the market for a computerized sewing machine that balances quality, features, and sustainability, the Brother CE1155 is a top-tier choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next critique. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you make better buying decisions, one review at a time.